Yuanda Company Fire Tube Steam Boiler, 10-ton gas diesel-fired boiler, in Kazakhstan Food Factory. WNS Series Fire Tube 3-pass wet-back structure boiler. Features high efficiency, low NOx emission, automatic control, energy saving. Aerator works to remove dissolved gases, primarily oxygen and carbon dioxide, from the feed water. Economizer recovers waste heat from the flue gases and improves overall efficiency. Yuanda Boiler Engineering Services in Kazakhstan works for boiler installation guiding services and commissioning works.